Every bite can be a step towards health or a trap for your brain. What choices are you making? Like and subscribe to our channel. Each like and subscription helps us bring you more quality health content. Your participation makes the difference. The nervous system is a complex network of neurons and supportive cells that play a crucial role in almost every function of the human body. It is divided into two main parts: the central nervous system, comprising the brain and spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system, which includes all the neural elements outside the brain and spinal cord. This elaborate structure is responsible for receiving and transmitting information between the body and the environment, allowing rapid reactions to external and internal stimuli, regulating physical movements, and facilitating cognitive processes such as thinking, learning, and memory. The health of the nervous system is fundamental to maintaining overall well-being and effective bodily functionality. Any impairment in its structure or function can result in a variety of neurological disorders and medical conditions, ranging from simple headaches to more severe conditions like multiple sclerosis, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's. It is essential, therefore, to understand how daily activities, and particularly diet, can affect this vital system. Specific foods can have both beneficial and harmful impacts, highlighting the importance of conscious dietary choices for preserving neurological health. Various foods and substances consumed daily can have harmful effects on the nervous system, compromising its functionality and long-term health. Among the main culprits are refined sugars, which can cause imbalances in blood glucose levels, leading to systemic inflammation and potentially exacerbating conditions like anxiety and depression. Trans and saturated fats, found in many processed foods and fried items, are equally harmful, as they can contribute to plaque formation in arteries, restricting blood flow to the brain and increasing the risk of stroke. Moreover, food additives such as monosodium glutamate, MSG, and aspartame, present in many industrial products, can negatively affect neuronal health, causing headaches and other neurological symptoms in sensitive individuals. Regular consumption of alcohol and caffeine can also alter the normal functioning of the nervous system, resulting in mood changes and poor sleep quality. Avoiding or limiting the intake of these types of foods and substances is crucial to protect the nervous system and promote optimal neurological health. Awareness of dietary choices can be an effective strategy to mitigate the risks of long-term damage. Excessive consumption of refined sugars has been linked to a range of adverse effects on the nervous system, particularly concerning neuroinflammation, an inflammatory process that occurs in the brain. Sugars like fructose and sucrose can trigger inflammatory responses by disrupting the balance of microorganisms in the gut, a phenomenon known as dysbiosis, which in turn can affect brain function due to the close communication between the gut and the brain through the gut-brain axis. Additionally, high blood glucose levels can increase the production of pro-inflammatory molecules that cross the blood-brain barrier, exacerbating inflammation in the brain and potentially leading to neuronal damage over time. This inflammatory environment in the brain not only contributes to cognitive deterioration, but is also linked to the development of neurological disorders such as depression, anxiety, and even neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Studies suggest that chronic inflammation mediated by high sugar consumption can affect neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and reorganize in response to new information, injuries, or diseases. Reducing the intake of refined sugars is a recommended strategy to mitigate the risk of neuroinflammation and protect nervous system health, highlighting the importance of conscious dietary choices in maintaining brain health. Trans and saturated fats, commonly found in processed foods, fast food, and certain types of margarine and meats, have a significantly negative impact on brain health and neural conduction. These types of fats contribute to cholesterol plaque formation in arteries, restricting blood flow and reducing the supply of essential oxygen and nutrients to the brain. This reduction in blood flow can lead to chronic brain damage and increase the risk of stroke, besides contributing to the development of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Neural conduction can also be disrupted by changes in the lipid composition of the myelin sheath, essential for the efficient transmission of nerve impulses. Furthermore, trans and saturated fats can induce inflammatory processes in the body, including the brain. Chronic inflammation is a known factor contributing to neuronal degeneration and cognitive impairment. Research indicates that diets high in unhealthy fats can adversely affect neuroplasticity and synaptic function, interfering with the brain's ability to form and maintain neural connections vital for learning and memory. Therefore, Limiting the consumption of these fats is crucial to maintaining optimal brain function and preventing neurological disorders. Reducing the intake of these fats can, in turn, contribute to a healthier and more responsive brain. Food additives and preservatives are widely used in the food industry to enhance flavor, appearance, and shelf life of products, but their impact on neural health can be profoundly negative. Substances such as monosodium glutamate, MSG, aspartame, benzoates, and sulfites are some of the additives associated with adverse effects on the nervous system. MSG, for example, is a flavor enhancer known to cause what is popularly called the Chinese restaurant syndrome, characterized by symptoms such as headaches, excessive sweating, and palpitations. At more severe levels, prolonged exposure to MSG can lead to neuronal damage due to its potential to cause excitotoxicity, a process in which nerve cells are damaged and killed by excessive stimulation by neurotransmitters. Aspartame, a common artificial sweetener, has also been the subject of studies suggesting a possible link to neurological disorders, including chronic headaches, anxiety, depression, and even more serious episodes of mental confusion and seizures. These compounds can interfere with the normal production of neurotransmitters, the brain's chemical messengers, altering neural function and communication. Additionally, some preservatives can provoke inflammatory reactions in the brain, exacerbating conditions like neuroinflammation, which is linked to neurodegenerative diseases. Reducing exposure to these additives and preservatives can be a crucial step in protecting the integrity of the nervous system and promoting healthy brain function. Alcohol and stimulant substances like caffeine exert significant effects on the central nervous system, impacting both neurological function and behavior. Alcohol, a depressant, can initially cause a sense of euphoria and disinhibition by increasing the release of neurotransmitters such as GABA, gamma-aminobutyric acid. However, chronic or excessive alcohol consumption leads to central nervous system depression, resulting in motor coordination problems, delayed reaction time, and cognitive function deterioration. Long-term alcohol abuse can cause permanent brain damage, including brain atrophy and the development of neuropsychiatric disorders such as alcoholic dementia. Conversely, caffeine is a well-known stimulant that works by blocking adenosine receptors in the brain, resulting in increased neural activity and the release of neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine. While moderate doses of caffeine can enhance alertness and concentration, excessive consumption can lead to anxiety, insomnia, and even dependency. Additionally, high doses of caffeine can cause adverse effects such as tremors, heart palpitations, and in extreme cases, cardiovascular and neurological toxicity. Thus, while moderate consumption of these substances can be part of a daily routine without major issues, it is crucial to understand their potentially harmful effects to avoid negative consequences for nervous system health. Ultra-processed foods, which include a wide range of products such as packaged snacks, ready-to-eat frozen meals, and sugary beverages, are often loaded with additives, preservatives, and high amounts of sugars and saturated fats. Regular consumption of these foods has been associated with a series of negative effects on neurological health. Studies indicate that these foods can promote chronic inflammation throughout the body, including the brain, a known risk factor for developing neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Additionally, the presence of large amounts of refined sugars and trans fats in ultra-processed foods can adversely affect neurotransmitter regulation and neuron health, potentiating cognitive decline and reducing learning and memory capacity. Besides the biochemical impacts, excessive consumption of ultra-processed foods can also lead to critical nutritional deficiencies essential for maintaining brain health. Nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, B vitamins, and minerals like zinc and magnesium, often lacking in diets high in ultra-processed products, are crucial for optimal brain function. The lack of these nutrients can compromise the structural integrity of the brain and impair neural functions. Therefore, a balanced diet rich in natural and minimally processed foods is crucial for preserving neurological health and promoting cognitive longevity. Unbalanced diets, especially those poor in critical nutrients such as B vitamins and omega-3 fatty acids, can have a substantial impact on nervous system health. B vitamins, including B1, B6, B12, and folate, are essential for maintaining neuron integrity and neurotransmitter synthesis, which are brain chemicals responsible for communication between nerve cells. Deficiency of these vitamins can lead to a range of neurological problems, such as peripheral neuropathy, memory loss, confusion, and even mood disorders. Additionally, vitamin B12 is particularly important for maintaining the myelin sheath, which surrounds and protects nerves. Its deficiency can cause irreversible damage to the central and peripheral nervous system. On the other hand, omega-3 fatty acids, abundantly found in fatty fish, nuts, and seeds, play a crucial role in reducing inflammation in the body, including the brain. Inflammation is a known factor contributing to the development of neurodegenerative diseases. A diet poor in omega-3 can result in increased neural inflammation and deterioration of cognitive function. Moreover, omega-3 is fundamental for the fluidity of cell membranes, including those of neurons, which directly affects the ability of nerve cells to communicate efficiently. Therefore, adequate intake of these nutrients is vital for neurological health, helping to prevent nervous system degeneration and promoting optimal cognitive function. Adopting a diet rich in essential nutrients is one of the most effective strategies for protecting and enhancing nervous system health. Foods that are particularly beneficial include those rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon, sardines, nuts, and flax seeds. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining cell membrane integrity, including that of neurons, and have anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce the risk of neuroinflammation. Besides omega-3, it is important to consume a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables rich in antioxidants, which combat free radicals and protect the brain from oxidative damage. Foods such as blueberries, strawberries, and dark leafy greens are excellent choices. B vitamins also play a fundamental role in nervous system health. Foods like whole grains, legumes, eggs, and dairy products are rich in various B vitamins, which help support brain function and reduce the risk of depression and memory loss. Vitamin B12, in particular, is vital for nerve and brain health and can be found in adequate amounts in meat, fish, and dairy products. Vegetarians and vegans may need to consider supplements or fortified foods to ensure sufficient intake. Additionally, folate, found in leafy greens and legumes, aids in the formation of nerve cells and is essential for brain development. Besides focusing on beneficial foods, it is equally important to avoid or limit the intake of substances that can be harmful to the nervous system, such as alcohol, refined sugars, and trans fats. Maintaining a balance of nutrients, along with adequate water consumption to hydrate and facilitate nutrient transmission and toxin removal, is essential for keeping the nervous system functioning optimally. Incorporating these dietary changes not only improves nervous system health, but also contributes to overall well-being and disease prevention. Throughout this video, we explored how certain foods and substances can significantly impact the health of the nervous system. Excessive intake of refined sugars, trans, and saturated fats, as well as food additives and preservatives, can contribute to neurological disorders and cognitive decline. On the other hand, incorporating foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, B vitamins, and antioxidants has been shown to offer substantial protection and benefits to neural health. Choosing natural and minimally processed foods, combined with reducing harmful substances, is essential for maintaining the function and integrity of the nervous system. We encourage everyone to review their eating habits and make conscious choices that favor brain health. Adopting a balanced diet is not just a matter of nutrition, but a form of comprehensive care for the body and mind. We encourage reducing the consumption of processed foods and increasing the intake of essential nutrients, thus ensuring not only a healthy nervous system, but also a better quality of life. Start today to make positive changes in your diet and see the lasting benefits that proper nutrition can bring to your mental and physical health. Have you ever stopped to think about the impact your diet has on your nervous system? In this video, we show how simple daily choices can protect or harm your brain health. But it doesn't end here. What changes are you willing to make to ensure a healthier future for your brain? Comment below your strategies or questions, and don't forget to like and share this video so that more people can benefit from this vital information. Stay tuned to our channel for more valuable tips like these.